Good morning, guys. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Wala pa si Jensha kasi TJ nagbabiyahe pa pabalik galing Adelaide. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's your surprise?
Yes, that's for her.
Wow.
I did that. I wrote on here.
You what? What did you do?
This is Harry.
Oh, that's me. And oh no, Holly. Anong ginawa? What's that, Zach? Zach, what, you're explaining something?
Holly! That was the teacher put this in here. We put the dirt in here.
And then you draw. Did you draw? Thank you. And
I'm not doing the other one, so touch that later.
you what?
That's on the other one.
Oh, you got another one for me.
I'm not doing that star.
Oh, it's in Daddy's car, so you have to wait for Daddy and Kuya. Thank you. Give me a hug, Papa.
The piece of glass.
Huh? It's not a glass.
Yes, it is.
No, it's mud. Yeah, it's a mud.
Like, this is glass.
Not a glass, Baba.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
The teacher said.
Your teacher said. It's a breakable, but this is not a glass. Glass is.
I saw someone that bought it.
Yeah, that's right. But this is not a glass, Baba. Holly? Umutot si Holly.
I'll put this in your garden.
Oh, you're gonna put that in my garden? I put that in the garden?
Yes. Mommy.
Huh?
Mom.
Oh, love it. Oh, okay, thank you for making this.
These are spider plant. I did little.
Ah, spider plants.
Yeah, like, something will get little.
Something get little.
I want to put a seed in there.
Okay. Like, where's this?
This hold up. This
Okay. And you, what did you do, Baba? Say happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Say thank you, Mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy, I love you. Say I love you.
I do.
Mahal.
Ma.
Hal.
I.
Ki.
Di.
Ala, umuutot siya.
Little.
I don't know. Say ma.
Ma.
Hal.
I.
Ki.
Di.
Ta.
Mom, Holly just
Ta.
on.
Mahal kita. Thank you, Nak. Okay, we're gonna wait for Daddy for your another surprise. Hi guys! Naligo na ako and naglagay ako ng kilay kasi kahapon pinanood ko yung vlog. Para akong alien. Ang nipis talaga ng kilay ko and moisturizer lang and lip tint ang linagay ko. Yun. Hi guys! Happy Mother's Day, Ma! Alam ko, nanonood ka. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mama. Say happy.
Happy.
Say happy.
Happy.
Mother's
Mama.
Day.
Di.
Lo.
Wa.
La.
Ya.
Lola. Say I.
Hi.
Na I. I
I.
love.
No.
Nose. Love.
I.
Yes. Love. Say love. Aray ko. Love.
Ya.
You.
Me.
Ma.
Ma.
Hal.
I.
Ki.
Di.
Ta.
Da.
Mahal kita. Say, mahal kita.
Da.
Mahal kita. Si Jan wala pa. Malapit na sila ni TJ. Mga siguro an hour nandito na sila. And Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mami dyan na nanonood sa amin. Happy Mother's Day po, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Alam ko nanonood ka. I love you and I miss you. I know mahal na mahal mo kaming lahat, but I know ako ang paborito mo, joke. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Sana masaya ka sa Mother's Day and I know nanonood ka and kahit nanonood ka, alam kong miss na miss mo pa rin kami and miss na miss din namin kayo. I love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you sa lahat. Alam mo yan. I love you. And yeah, yun, nakita nyo na yung pasabog ni Sak na regalo niya sa akin na ginawa niya sa candy, yung paso na may pananim na may drawing. Yun ang ginawa nila sa candy. Tapos meron pa raw siyang isa, nasa car daw ni daddy niya. Nakalak yung isa yung car ni Jan eh. So hindi niya makuha. So hinintay niya na lang si daddy niya. And also, sabi ko kay Jan, kasi every Mother's Day, tsaka, basta occasion, nagbibigayan si Jan na flowers, tsaka chocolate, tsaka kung ano pa. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, ayaw ko na ng flowers. Gusto ko ang flowers, pero sabi ko, kasi ang mahal guys ng flowers dito, siguro 100 plus. Pag maganda yung order, yung nagpapa-arrange, mahal siya, plus yung chocolate, mahal din. So, sabi ko, wag na. So, namili na lang ako ng nag-order ako online na sapatos. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Tapos, bumili rin ako para sa sarili ko, nag-order ako sa Sephora na yung toasted na tarte na eyeshadow. Tapos, Becca na primer. And, ano pa ba yung... Yun, tapos meron pa si Jan na ibibigay sa akin, kaso wala, hindi umabot for Mother's Day. Yung favorite... Come here, Baba! Say hi, guys! Yung favorite kong cologne na Jo Malone. So, hindi siya umabot. Siguro makita nyo na lang yun sa IG story ko. Kasi hindi, wala siya ngayon. Oh, what's this? And, ano pa ba? Ayun, magluluto tayo yung ulo ng lobster. Gagataan natin siya sa hantak. Ano ba ang hantak? Hantak sa Bicol. Snake beans. Yun. Ano ba yun? Hantak, Tagalog. Sitaw. Hi, Doggy boy. How are you? You're wearing blue again?
Huh?
You're wearing blue again? Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Thank you for my gift.
Do you like it?
Of course I do, Baba. I love it.
Why?
Because you made it for
I
Mama.
didn't make it. The teacher put the thing in.
Yeah, but you drove the paso, right?
No.
You,
And I did the dirt.
what? Yeah, you did the dirt. You put the dirt. Oh, that's... And?
This theory for.
Sabi ni Saku, why someone give you this, Mama?
Why did Teacher Rice give that to you for?
Who?
Why did Teacher Rice give you that for?
Oh, no, not Tita Ray's. This is from Kim Collection. Binasa ko siya para matry natin kung ano. Okay, basta Kim Collection, ang ganda niya. Hindi siya, wala siyang amoy. Kasi ang iba, di ba, may amoy pag hindi to. Eto, wala siyang amoy. So far, depende siguro sa nagsusuot. Oo. Kasi di ba, minsan may acidic din na, pag acidic ka, nag-change ang color. Pero sa akin, hindi naman. Kasi kagamit ko lang pa naman. So, hindi. Pero maganda siya, ayan. So, aaraw-arawin natin siya, suotin. So, ano pa ba? Saan na tayo? Bago tayo kinat na naman ni Zach at ni Holly. Say, Holly, hi!
Hi!
Say hi, guys!
Hi!
Say, Ma! Ma! Hal!
Hi!
Ko! Kayo! Say hi! Hi, Lola! Say hi, Lola! Say Happy Mother's Day to Lola na! Come on! Happy Mother's Day to Lola! Come on! Say Happy Mother's Day, Lola!
Happy Mother's Day, Lola.
And what else? Say I love you!
Love you.
Mahal! Kita!
Ta.
And
Tilita.
mahal kita!
Mahal kita.
I miss you, Lola! And Lolo. So, yun.
Lolo.
Papa! Ang tawag kasi nila kay Papa din. Sa lolo nila, Papa ang tawag nila.
This is?
What's that? Yeah. So, yun ang gagawin natin. Yung magagata tayo ng yes, adventures. Magagata tayo ng hantak. Yung sitaw. Sitaw, tsaka wala akong kalabasa eh. Pero mayroon akong eggplant. So, yun. Eggplant na yung katulad sa atin. Kasi yung eggplant nila dito malaki. Tapos parang medyo mapait siya para sa akin. So, yun ang gagawin natin today. And baka mamaya lalabas tayo. Hindi ko alam. What we're having for tea. Adobo nga. Tapos, with rice. Yes, of course. Sabi niya, I want with rice. Come here. What did you say?
I want rice.
You want what?
Rice and
What is rice in Tagalog?
Tani. What is Philippine sauce in Tagalog?
Ketchup. Ewan ko, ano bang
Just
sarsa?
ketchup. That's in the Tagalog.
Filipino. That's a Papa, say Papa Ketchup.
Papa ketchup.
Papa Ketchup and
Tamali.
kanin. So, dito kami lagi sa kwarto ni Holly. Nagtatamag kasi maliwanag dito kaysa doon sa sala. So, yun ang gagawin namin. Ha? Oh, kakain tayo kung kakain daw siya. Kasi ko, mamaya yun, lulutuin ko na yung yung adobo. Kasi yung adobo ko pala guys, minarinate ko na siya overnight kagabi sa garlic, tapos toyo, suka, paminta, para mag na yung lasa ba, para mag yung lasa nga, dumikit na dun sa karne ng baboy. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, tara, pero may gagawin muna ako, mag-aayos muna ako dito sa sala. So, I'll see you later guys. Guys, eto na yung yung minarinate kong adobo. Ayan, pakukulang ko na siya. Ang gamit kong kaldero is yung sa atin, sa Philippines, kasi mas gusto ko siya. Lalo na pag may sunog-sunog. Yes, baby. Okay, yeah, mommy's cooking now. And eto yung ulo, at saka yung tails ng lobster. Tapos eto yung kay Jan. So, yan, gagatan natin siya mamaya. So, update ko kayo later. Pakulan lang natin tong adobo. So, yan. Hi! What's this? Oh, is this... Ito pa yung... Sa, Holly, ito yung gawa pa ni Sak sa school na nasa car ni daddy niya. Thank you, Sak! Ayan si Sak. May kinukuha si Kuya.
What?
Thank you.
How come, Daddy?
Happy birthday.
Come
Thank
on.
you. How was your golf? Good. Ayun na. Tumatakbo na siya. Ayaw niya magpakita sa camera. Ito yung kay Kuya. Gawa niya sa school.
Here's the milk.
Ayan. To Mom. Happy Mother's Day. Love from Tyrone.
Hey, Mom.
Thank you, Kuya.
Mom.
The $20. Kasi may regalo sila sa akin. Thank you. Eto na, oh. See, Kuya, pay me also.
My dad's gonna pay me back for that.
Oh, you have to work for Daddy?
I
What?
did last night with
No.
pimples.
No, on the farm.
In the farm?
Oh, yeah.
Your farm?
Can I get another one? Can I get 20?
So, ayan. Bayad na tayo, guys. Eto, ipakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko. No, that's the one.
Turn the car off, put it in the shed.
Hurry up.
Oh,
Here it is. What's that, Holly? So, eto yung binili namin ni Sam.
Open it.
Okay, open. Okay, open. Okay, open. That's for mommy. Yan yung pinili ko na binayaran nila akong $20 each.
Open, Baba. Open.
Wow! So, ayan siya. Eto.
And that was your only got.
Yeah, this is all I got. Ayan yung apron na yan, na pink.
What's that one?
And tea towel. And eto yung pot holder. Pot holder ba to? Tawag dyan? So, basta ito yung gloves. So, thank you, Holly! Thank you! Where's Mommy Halik? Where's your Mommy? Not that one, Mommy. How about Mommy? Yeah, that's Sako. Halik, Mama. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love Mommy.
I want to hug you.
Ay, it's alright. Kuya, miss you, Baba. Kuya, it's enough. She don't want, ayaw niya, Kuya, ayaw niya. Wag na, wag mo na pilitin. No, no.
Hello.
So, eto yung mga natanggap ko for Mother's Day. Eto yung binili namin ni Sak the other day na naghati sila ni Kuya niya na pig $20. Tapos eto, galing to kay Kuya. Ayan yung nakasulat. To Mom, Happy Mother's Day, love from Tyrone. And eto yung binili ko for myself na in-order ko rin sa online na sa Sephora. Eto siya yung toasted na tart. Tapos yung primer na Becca. Ayan. Backlight primer filter. So, gusto ko sana yung purple kaso mas maganda yung resulta nito sa akin. Tapos, eto galing kay Zach. Ito yung nasa car ni daddy niya. Yan, ginawa niya yung drawing niya. Tapos, ayan, may picture niya. Yung shoes na in-order ko, guys, na Lab Moschino. Basta, eto siya. Slip-on siyang shoes. Ayan. Moschino. Eto. Ganyan siya. Ito ang itsura niya. May printed siya. Oh. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi yung mga ganito na dati ma-heels ako pero ngayon may anak na ako. Ganito na para mas madali. So, yan. So, yan guys. Yan ang mga natanggap ko for Mother's Day. And yung isa wala pa. Thank you, boys.
You like present?
Yes.
Mom, Holly taste. You Holly taste.
Yes.
The garden.
Yes, I do. Holly.
You like your present?
Yes, I do, Baba.
You like this?
Yep, I do.
Mommy, you like this? Look at this rainbow. Mommy, you like this one?
Yes. Thank you.
Who got that one?
Mommy. Okay, let me see. Ano yun? Yeah, I do like it. It's like, thank you.
Why you don't like this?
I do. I didn't say I don't like it. I love it.
Do you like this?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, yes!
Eh, naglalaro na si...
Happy Mother's Day, everyone, and Lola, and Mom.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you, Mama. I love you. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to Mom.
Mom,
Yes?
do you like your present?
Yes, I
Mom,
do. Thank you.
My darling present?
Yes, I do, Baba. I like...
Do you like this one?
Yeah. Tinatanong.
Look at these two shoes.
Oh, Mommy.
That's cool.
You like it?
These two, Mommy.
Love and peace. Yes?
But you showing the Happy Mother's Day the name on here.
Yeah, I know. Tell them put
Mom.
Mother's Day. Yes,
Put
Baba.
Mother's Day on here.
It's not Mother's Day daw. Nagreklamo si Sa. Ba't hindi daw Mother's Day ang nakalagay? Oo nga naman, no? That's Zachary. So, thank you. Thank you, both.
you.
Thank you. I love you. Kuya, I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Holly. Thank you. Oh, ito talaga. Oh, tingnan mo. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Holly, how about you? Paddle, Mama.
Tell us why my channel died. Bye.
Naiyat, Mama's gonna cook. Naamoy ko na. Can you smell the adobo?
Yes.
So, yun guys. Magluto na tayo. Naamoy ko na yung adobo. Naglalaro sila. Baba, antok na to. Oh.
Look how this is in